Okay, today I want to show you guys how to change your video to photo frame by frame. Okay, the reason I want to do that is because I mistakenly shot my time-lapse video straight to video, not into photo. So as you can see, there's a lot of dust in my lens. Alright, moving on. First, drag your video into Photoshop. Okay, click File, Export, and render video. Or you can go to shortcut directly to the arrow below. Here the timeline. Okay, press it. Okay, name the file whatever. TL stands for time lapse. Create new subfolder. Okay, this one make sure you choose Photoshop image sequence. Format JPEG. Setting the biggest maximum. Starting to. Yeah, it depends on you. I put 1, so the number will start from 1. Document size, the size of the video is full HD. Frame rate, the document size is 23.9, but I choose 25 for my time lapse. Okay. Rendering. Okay, here's all the photo from the rendering from Photoshop. As you can see now, we turn it into photo, so you can see all the dust here in my lens. Alright. Okay, after I change it in Lightroom, I adjust it and clean it up. You can see the difference here. No more dust. Then the one back to dust. Alright. Okay, after that, drag it into Davinci and turn it back to time lapse. Already finished render it, so you don't need to wait. Okay, and here's the result. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.